guys, how you doing? Today's the first trip with a camper system repair. Get the family out for a trip to Island Beach State Park. A little foggy here. My waves are kind of a little rough, but probably down here for a couple days. Enjoying the walk on the beach. I haven't really went fishing. Surf seems like it's a little rough. I got finished a couple of fishing rods up. But yeah, if you can see, it's kind of foggy. There's a lighthouse over that way somewhere. You really can't see it because the fog is so bad. Only truck camper right now on Island Beach. Everybody else, I guess, decided to stay home. A couple cars down here, not too bad. I don't know if I should try something different. I do a lot of videos about the truck camper and stuff like that. Fits them. So I don't know if I should try a tour, just like doing trips and all that stuff like that. And, kind of going from there. Probably taking a trip to Hershey Park. Not for sure if we're going to bring the camper or not. Sorry about all the noise in the background, all the wind and the waves. Decided to use my Predator 3500 watt generator. And believe it or not, the waves are louder than the generator, as you barely even hear it inside the camper. A couple seagulls out there. Look for some little sand crabs. I think that's what we're looking for. It's been a while since we've been here. We used to come here a lot with the older camper, and then we moved to California. So first year back here, we really didn't do nothing. And then this year, end of spring, we did a lot of work on the camper. About 3 weeks on the camper, stuff like that. Got all finished up and everything. So as of right now, you're not allowed to, the park's not open regular hours yet due to this COVID-19 stuff. I believe it closes at 8 o'clock. And they used to let you sleep in the parking lot. But the first bathhouse. But due to the COVID-19 stuff here in New Jersey, they're not letting you sleep here just yet. So hopefully it won't be too much longer. I know a lot of people are complaining about the price you pay. So it's $250 for a beach pass to go fishing here on the beach. And then they have air compressors for you to air your tires up. I have the onboard air compressor, the Viair. I installed it a couple of days ago. I tried to do a video And it was really windy that day. I didn't try. It didn't turn out that good. And then I was gonna mount it under the driver's side framing area, and then I ended up moving it to where the old battery goes for the camper. Underneath the framing, there's already a box area for it, so I just mounted it there. I didn't read the instructions that good, so I didn't realize that you had to mount the compressor upright. So I had to redo that. It took a little longer than I thought. It took probably a couple hours, 3 hours around there to do that. So that's up and running. Got that all worked now. Well, wasn't too bad the trip here. Only fact is I hate the way we go. A lot of stoplights, so it's just a pain in the butt. Freeway that we have to get onto is kind of out of the way, so we don't take that way usually. Let me see if you can hear this generator running. There's another truck camper right there. Starting to hear the generator. There's really nothing being powered with it right now. Just a TV for the kids. I do got the solar panels on, but they're not doing nothing due to the fact there's no sun. There it is running. Pretty quiet. You guys take care.